What's going on, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? It's Dad here from Dad Simply Stressing. What are we stressing about today? Price of hamburger. Unsettled about it. I don't like it. Instead of hamburger, the hamburger, Instead of the hamburger, we're kicking it out. Say no more. No more. We're not paying $7 a pound. It might be more where you're at. We can use chicken. So what are we making today? We're going to make a garlic ground chicken Parmesan meatloaf. Meatloaf? Not let the singer meatloaf. So what we're going to do, we're going to make chicken meatloaf. Chicken meatloaf, indeed, yes. We're going to use canned green beans. And we got some potatoes. So with the potatoes, we're going to make homemade mashed potatoes. Might even make some homemade butterscotch to go with this meatloaf. Okay? Okay, so we'll just jump into it. So, we got our infamous blue bowl from Hobby Lobby. Here's what we're going to do. Bowl, ground chicken. £1 pound ground chicken. I'm making a double batch. And I'm going to use this for some of my lunch for this week. 3 eggs. 2 egg. 3 egg. We're reuniting the family, okay? Chicken back with the egg. Plain and simple. So now I got some roasted garlic Asiago. I'm going to season it up. You got some onion powder. Some that fancy Italian seasoning. Because what kind of meatloaf would it be without some Italian seasoning? Some seasoning salt. Some of this Max Extra Coarse seasoning build. Mustard. Coriander, dill seed. The go-to, the must, the ranch Parmesan. And Aspen's favorite, pepper. Pepper? Good. Good. Now, breadcrumbs. About a half a cup of breadcrumbs. Okay? Half a cup of breadcrumbs. I use some of the Italian breadcrumbs. And now it's time to get all up in there with your hands. Get everything nice and coated. The pepper jack Chess. We love Chess. And we got Pepper Jack's cousin that came over. Good. Good. Preheat your oven at 375. Spray your pan. Because we're going to mix once more. Alright. You don't need no beef. $7 a pound. Lost your mind. Ground chicken is only $2.33, depending on where you get it at. Looking pretty tasty. Into the oven at 375. Potato, 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 and potato. last potato. And all we're doing with that is we're shedding it or skinning it or whatever you want to call it. And we're we're skin upping them. And, yeah. And then we're putting them in the oven in a pot of boiling water. Are we going to stir it? Huh? Nope. We want those potatoes to get real soft. A little bit of Worcestershire sauce, about a tablespoon, a little bit more. Ketchup, about a half cup. A bit of brown sugar. There's my chicken. It's looking good. Yeah, I'm just gonna coat the top. Me and Jerry, we like reading a lot. Back into the bowl we just got them from. I drained them. Make sure they're good and mashed. Tablespoon of butter. A little bit of heavy cream. Not too much. Add a little bit of cheese. A little salt. And a little pepper. A little less than an hour. I made meatloaf, homemade mashed potatoes. They're a little runny, I know. I should have used one more potato. Can of peas, and I made homemade biscuit, y'all. It's simple. Don't overthink it. Don't think it's going to be too much. Yes, it's an hour in the kitchen. I'm aware of that. But look what we made. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good to me. Just saying. We got the meatloaf, the chicken meatloaf. Looks fantastic. I'm going to be honest, the mashed potatoes look pretty good. That is a meal, y'all. That is a dinner night. Easy. Let's try them. They're good. And these biscuits. Look at that monster of a biscuit. Those layers upon layers. Oh. Y'all. I'm excited about this one. I'm played up. I'll show y'all once we get there. Alright. So let's cut in to this meatloaf. I'm very excited about cutting into it. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Looks like meatloaf. It smells so good. I'm actually really like some mashed potatoes for the kiddos. They finally thickened up a little bit, y'all. So, I'm going to lay down my mashed potatoes. My meatloaf, my biscuit. And y'all, the dish. So like, the chicken is nice and cooked. It's ground chicken. So it's looking nice and good. The flavor, the seasoning. A little bit of that heat with the red chili flakes and the pepper jack cheese. Y'all, make this. All right, we're gonna go eat. In here for liking, commenting, subscribing. Let me know if you're gonna make this. Honestly, let me know if you do make this. I want to know what you think of it. 10 out of 10, y'all. I will be making this again. I can promise you that. I love you. Take care. Look out for one another. There's storms on the East Coast right now. I'm going to say a prayer for everybody on the East Coast. We're on the East Coast. So, say a prayer. Enjoy your family. Peace.